Hi, I'm live again. Listen, my apology for the other video. It was horizontal when I taped it. For whatever reason, on Facebook, it's twisted. And some of you may be kind of physically or mentally challenged, so I wanted to do it over again so that you could see it in its proper format. And hopefully this is vertical so that you can actually see. Anyway, I'm EP, and I'm here sharing a fitness tip for today about how to burn 100 calories in 10 minutes. All you need is your little vacuum cleaner, and for 10 minutes a day, you don't have to worry about running to the gym. Just vacuum 10 minutes a day, and that will get those calories burning. Also, while you're vacuuming, you can switch hand from your left to the right, and you're working out your triceps and your biceps, okay? So some of you are going to say, well, I don't have a vacuum cleaner, or my vacuum cleaner is not working. Well, I've got a solution for that. But let me just show you one other thing. While you're vacuuming, all right, just make sure that you're extending those arms. Extend those arms. That way you're working those triceps and those biceps. All right, extend them when you're pulling out and in and out like that on the vacuum cleaner. It's not that complicated. All you do, you go into different parts. Sorry, a little technical difficulty right there. You're going to work out your arms and your upper body. And if you want to get cardio, just move just a little bit quicker. Well, I know some of you may say, well, my vacuum cleaner is not working right now, and I can't use the vacuum cleaner. Well, I got a solution for you. Here's a good old-fashioned broom. All right, well used, you can see. Sweeping, 10 minutes a day. Some of you are going to say, I don't want to sweep like that. Well, you don't have to sweep like that. Just sweep. I was just exaggerating. 10 minutes a day. You will burn 100 calories. Now, Esau had hit me up on Facebook and said you can also use like frozen peas. But I got one better than that. Let me show you something. Take a pot of peas. You see those? Pot of black-eyed peas. There, I don't know if you can see it really good. Oops, just spill some water there with water in it. And you can just lift it up and down, up and down, up and down. Add a little squat, up, down, up. Now this is filled with, let me just show you here, a lot of peas. Now, that was for your arms. Work your waist, side and side, side and side. Working those arms, working those obliques, working that stomach, tighten your abs, pull, pull. Good, good. Now up, all the way, and down, up, and down.